Welcome back to Sanford Built and Reviewed. Today we're going to go over how to cut. And I know a lot of people think they know how to cut well, but if you're trying to use a circular saw, miter box, jigsaw, and your cuts aren't professional, we're going to show you today how to do that. First thing to go over is the blade of a saw has a thickness to it. So we're going to kind of get an idea of the thickness here because I want to show you the key to making a straight cut. So let's say this is our piece of wood and we need to make a straight cut. We got our line there. And we're going to do this exaggerated so that you get an idea of what I'm talking about here. But we got a blade thickness here of almost 1/8 of an inch. So if you imagine, we're going to exaggerate this. There is your blade right there, cutting out that piece of wood. Now, if you're just following the line, you've got 1/8 of an inch on each side of that line that you could be floating all over the place. You're talking almost 1/4 of an inch off of your cut. But you get your cut line and you realize that saw blade's thickness, when you're coming through, you're not watching the line hit the center of the blade. You're watching the very edge, that corner of the blade hit the very edge of your line. And that is what will give you a great cut. If you're using plywood, before you do your cut, come in, take your utility knife, go through and just give it a nice little score, especially if you're going cross grain. That way when you come in, there won't be as much chipping. And that is how you cut with a circular saw. Please subscribe to our channel, like our channel, click the bell for notifications, and check out our Patreon account because all the support helps. See you on the next one. Oh, and I'm wearing this shirt to prove to you that carpenters don't all wear plaid.